Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim VR on Oculus Quest 2 without a PC. First, it's important to understand that Skyrim VR is a PC-only title, meaning it needs a powerful computer to run. The Quest 2 is a standalone headset, but it doesn't have the processing power to run such a demanding game natively. We'll explore methods that allow you to stream the game to your headset, effectively bypassing the need for a local gaming PC. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to access high-end PC games without owning the hardware. These services run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video feed directly to your Quest 2. You'll need a very stable internet connection, preferably 50 megabits per second or more, to ensure a smooth, low-latency experience. Always check if the service explicitly supports virtual reality titles and streaming to your specific headset model. Once you've selected a suitable cloud gaming service, the next step is setting it up. You'll typically need to subscribe to their service and then download their dedicated application onto your Quest 2. This app acts as the bridge, allowing your headset to receive the streamed game. Make sure you have a compatible game controller, as many PC virtual reality games are designed for traditional inputs, or learn to use the virtual desktop controls effectively. To get the most out of your cloud virtual reality experience, optimization is key. Always connect your Quest 2 to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This provides significantly faster and more stable data transfer than 2.4 GHz. Also, try to minimize other network activity in your home while playing. Finally, experiment with the in-game graphics settings. Finding the right balance between visual fidelity and a smooth frame rate will greatly enhance your immersion in Skyrim VR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.